New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R Heritage Edition. Of course, wearing the iconic Wimbledon White and Guardsman Blue exterior livery. This car is a one-owner car and has just a little over 2,000 miles on the odometer. Very collectible example, one of only 280 GT350R Heritage Editions produced. This car is also optioned with the technology package, which provides it with the blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, as well as the Bang & Olufsen 12-speaker sound system. And this car also has the exposed carbon fiber instrument panel option box checked, which we'll see shortly when we make our way towards the interior. But as I make our way around the outside, the exterior is in perfect condition. So you can see the iconic livery there, as well as the Guardsman Blue badge on the front there. Moving into the interior here, you'll notice the ebony Alcantara seating with red accents on the steering wheel, the red R badges, as well as the stitching and Recaro lettering on the seats. Back seat delete, as in all GT350Rs. And then as we take a look at the dashboard here, you'll notice that carbon fiber instrument panel across the gauges and over there by the passenger side. So we'll conclude the clip here with a startup and a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.